The Enchanted Glass. Long ago, in a quiet fishing village by the Silver Sea, there lived a boy named Lorian. He was poor, but cheerful, and his only true friend was a clever black cat called Ashen. The two were always together, fishing by the river, climbing the cliffs, or sleeping under the same ragged blanket on stormy nights. Villagers often laughed at the sight of a boy talking to a cat as though it were a person. Yet Lorian never cared. Ashen was loyal, and that was worth more than gold. One summer day, while searching for driftwood near the marshes, Lorian heard a rustling cry. He discovered a giant serpent trapped beneath fallen reeds and struggling for breath. Most villagers would have fled, for snakes were feared as omens, but Lorian could not bear to see any creature suffer. With patience and courage, he kept the reeds away until the serpent slid free, its eyes, bright as emeralds, fixed upon him. "Child of kindness," the serpent hissed softly, "few would help me. Take this gift, and may fortune follow you." From beneath its coils, it revealed a small mirror framed in silver vines. "It is no ordinary glass. Speak your wish, and it shall answer." That night, curious and trembling, Lorian whispered, "Let there be bread and warm soup for me and Ashen." In a shimmer of light, a wooden table appeared, laden with food. The cat purred in delight, and the boy nearly wept. From then on, the mirror became their secret. Seasons passed, and word spread that the king of Marivel was seeking a husband for his only daughter, Princess Serenia. Many princes arrived with treasure, soldiers, and songs, yet the king set a cruel challenge. Whosoever can raise a grand palace within a single minute shall win her hand. Lorian, encouraged by Ashen, walked to the castle gates. The guards mocked him, but the king allowed the attempt. Lorian held up the enchanted glass and whispered, "Rise, a house more splendid than all." Before the crowd's eyes, towers of white stone and golden windows shot up like growing trees. Gasps of wonder filled the air. The princess, gentle of heart, saw not only the palace but the courage in the boy's eyes, and she smiled. Bound by his word, though bitter in spirit, the king married Serenia to Lorian. Yet envy breeds treachery. The king brooded, "This peasant shall miss my crown. I must undo him." First he sent soldiers to steal the mirror. Lorian, quick-witted, used illusions to trick them and sent them away empty-handed. Then the king summoned an old crone, sharp as a raven, who pretended to sell herbs to the young bride. While Serenia's back was turned, the mirror was stolen. With its power gone, soldiers captured Lorian and Ashen, dragging them to the dungeons. Serenia was forced back to her father's palace, weeping. In the darkness, Ashen caught a plump rat. But before the cat's claws struck, the rat squealed, "Spare me. I know where your treasure is hidden." The crone keeps it beneath her hearthstone. That night, Ashen slipped through cracks, crossed rooftops, and returned with the silver-framed glass clutched in his teeth. At dawn, Lorian held it high and whispered words of freedom. The dungeon doors burst open, chains fell, and soldiers fled in fear. With the mirror's aid, he reclaimed Serenia and built a home even grander than before. From then on, Lorian, Serenia, Ashen, and their children lived with joy. They shared their bread with the poor, gave shelter to travelers, and guarded the secret of the mirror. And the villagers often told their children, "Remember the boy who saved a serpent. Kindness may seem small, but it can turn fate itself." Thank you for your attention. If you liked this story, please like and subscribe. It motivates us to make new videos and helps us promote the channel. Thank you.